Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to have good luck while others struggle no matter how hard they try? Have you ever looked at your own life and thought, why does it feel like fate is never on my side? Welcome back, my dear friends. In this channel, we dive deep into life's hidden laws, uncovering wisdom that can shift your perspective and transform your path. Today, we will explore a truth that many ignore. Good luck is not random, not a gift of destiny, not something only the chosen ones receive. Real fortune is cultivated. It is something you build, nurture, and grow through your thoughts, your actions, and your daily choices. Let us begin by breaking the myth of luck. Society often tells us that some are born under lucky stars, destined for success and ease, while others are cursed to struggle. But look carefully at those who appear lucky. What patterns do you notice? You will often see discipline, kindness, humility, generosity, and a life aligned with values. Their luck is rarely the flip of a coin. It is the result of invisible foundations they have built. Think of the person who seems to always meet the right opportunities. Is it luck? Or is it that they consistently prepared themselves so when opportunities appeared, they were ready? Think of the person who avoids disasters others fall into. Is it luck? Or is it the protective shield created by years of virtue, patience, and compassion? There is an old truth passed down through traditions. Blessings and misfortunes do not fall from the sky at random. They are echoes of the seeds you have sown. Every thought, every act, every choice plants a seed. Over time, those seeds grow into your reality. Fortune is not a mysterious favor, it is the blossoming of your own cultivation. Let me share a story. In one town lived a shopkeeper who was known for fairness. He never cheated customers, often gave discounts to the poor, and always treated others with respect. At first, people said he was foolish, that his kindness would hurt his business. Yet over time, his shop flourished. People traveled from neighboring villages to buy from him because they trusted him. When economic downturns came, many businesses closed, but his shop survived, supported by the community. Was that luck? Or was it the fruit of years of integrity and kindness? Now contrast this with another merchant who was known for deceit. He sold low-quality goods at high prices, lied to his customers, and cut corners at every chance. For a while he seemed to be doing well, but eventually word spread. Customers stopped coming, his reputation collapsed, and his wealth vanished. He complained of bad luck, but in truth, he was harvesting the seeds he himself had planted. This is the hidden law of fortune. What you cultivate inwardly becomes your outward destiny. Fortune is cultivated in many ways. One is through virtue. Virtue is not about grand gestures, but about the countless small choices that build your character. When you choose honesty over deceit, patience over anger, compassion over selfishness, you are cultivating fortune. These choices may go unnoticed by the world, but life records them. Over time, they transform into opportunities, protection, and peace. Another way fortune is cultivated is through gratitude. A grateful heart sees abundance even in small things. Such a heart naturally attracts more. Gratitude is like a magnet for blessings. It aligns you with positivity, opens your eyes to opportunities, and softens your spirit, so you can endure hardship with grace. Ungrateful hearts, on the other hand, repel fortune. No matter how much they have, they feel empty, and that emptiness leads to poor choices and wasted chances. Effort also plays a crucial role. Many confuse fortune with luck, but fortune favors those who move. If you sit idle waiting for miracles, you will wait in vain. Those who cultivate skills, put in effort, and seize moments create conditions where fortune can arrive. An opportunity given to someone unprepared is wasted. An opportunity given to someone who has prepared for years becomes transformation. This is why effort is itself a form of fortune cultivation. Faith and intention shape fortune as well. A person who lives with clarity of purpose and steady faith radiates a kind of energy that draws support. People trust them, doors open for them, life seems to guide them. It is not random. It is resonance. When your inner life vibrates with clarity and goodness, the outer world aligns accordingly. There is a Buddhist teaching: blessings are cultivated, not granted. This means your destiny is not decided by a distant deity tossing dice. It is shaped by your own heart, your own actions. If you want fortune, you must grow it. If you want peace, you must live it. Think about health as another form of fortune. Many take it for granted until illness strikes. Those who cultivate health with discipline through balanced living, good habits, and inner calm experience luck in the form of fewer illnesses and longer vitality. Others who neglect their bodies call it bad luck when disease arrives, but often it is simply the result of years of neglect. Again, fortune is cultivated. Family harmony is another. A peaceful family is one of life's greatest blessings. But it does not fall from the sky. It is cultivated through daily acts of respect, forgiveness, patience, and love. Families that nurture these habits seem lucky to outsiders, but the truth is they are reaping what they sowed. Now let us confront the hard truth. If you believe you are unlucky, ask yourself, what seeds have you been planting? Have you been cultivating kindness, patience, effort, gratitude, and virtue? Or have you been cultivating resentment, laziness, selfishness, and complaint? Life reflects your cultivation. To change your fortune, you must change what you plant. So, my dear friends, I ask you, what fortune are you cultivating today? Each day offers a new chance. You can begin planting seeds of kindness right now. You can practice gratitude right now. You can act with integrity right now. The future is not a mystery, it is the harvest of the seeds you plant today. As we close, reflect on your own journey. Have there been moments when fortune appeared in your life because of something good you once did? Have you seen disasters avoided in ways you cannot explain? Have you experienced blessings that came not from chance but from the invisible work of virtue? Share your stories in the comments. Your reflections can remind others that fortune is not random, it is cultivated. If this message inspired you, please subscribe, like, and support this channel. Your presence helps us keep building this community of wisdom seekers. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, may you plant seeds of virtue, effort, and gratitude daily, and may your life blossom with the true good fortune you have cultivated.